kumbaga, when it comes to the industry of performing. As in, it's been years since dekada na ba? Simula nung umakyat na lang ulit ng stage to perform. So talagang kinakabahan pero sobrang excited kasi again, makakasama ko yung mga kaibigan kong mag-perform and it's gonna be really nostalgic for me for this experience. Kaya sobrang happy ako mangyayari na ito.
Yeah, oo nga. Kasi
Ano talaga, parang I'm sobrang happy na at least this time kasama ko na silang lahat kasi sa totoo lang ang hirap po talagang buuhin ng grupo na to kasi may mga kanya-kanyang karir na, so kahit na ako tuloy-tuloy ako sa mga ginagawa kong shows, gusto ko man silang talagang isama lahat, hindi talaga mabubuo. So ngayon, mabubuo na talaga kami. So I'm so happy and very very happy na this time, makikita ko na sila ulit na magkasama kami on stage. Siyempre, iba pa rin yun pag sila yung kasama.
masabog din kasi.
Namang katulad nga ng sabi ng iba sa amin dito, we already had other things to do, nag-iba-ibang mga path, and then medyo, ako, honestly, medyo nagmanang-manang na ako. I was accepting roles na, alam mo na, just to tone down, you know, the sexy image and stuff like that. So talagang at first, we didn't want to do it. And at the same time, we didn't want to take the spotlight from the sex bomb at the time. Because we were like, what, you know, so we were like, no, we shouldn't, you know, we shouldn't do it na pabara-bara din. We were not ready at that time. So, but like my prayer earlier, I said that nothing is an accident, di ba? So lahat naman to nangyari for a reason, and that's why we're very happy that it led to this. And katulad na nga ng sabi ni Maui, that we want this as a celebration. It's more like celebrating how we started, where we are now as women, as moms, as all these multifaceted women, and we want to show that, yeah, that we're here to stay. Diba?
Okay.
Well, actually, nagkataon din po, no, Tito Jun, na while doing this, planning the reunion, nakapag-compose din si Jen ng Song for Us. She's been actually composing talaga dati pa. So, nagkataon na nasabay. So, feeling namin talagang nag-sync po lahat na ma-launch din namin siya ngayon kasabay ng reunion namin. So, parang lahat, na-connect.
Stars aligned.
Yes. So, yes, meron po kaming bagong single na ilalabas.
Single lang siya.
Single lang po, single. Kasabay ng reunion namin.
Oo, parang lalo kami na-excite with this new single na launch. So,
Paano nangyari yun?
Yes. Actually, oo nga pala, good evening po sa inyo lahat. Hindi ako nakabati kanina. But anyway, going back to your question, yes, I am fully aware. I said early January na there's no reunion happening for all of us. Kasi nga po, that time, we have our own personal priorities. I have my own personal priorities. So, hindi namin naisip. But then, this June lang po, nabigla din kami talaga. Pinatawag kami ni Boss Vic and he said, mag-reunion tayo. So, syempre kami parang, tingnan kami, kasi kung hindi nyo gagawin to, kailan pa? Yun ang sabi niya. Ngayon ang panahon ng lahat ng mga nagre-reunion. So, gawin na natin to. And then, of course, kami naman parang naisip namin, oo nga, siguro, pagka may sinabi si Boss Vic na vision niya na gano'n, kailangan sundin mo yun. So, ang hirap din mag-no. And, syempre, ang naging namin was, naniniwala pa rin si Boss Vic sa amin. So, let's do this. Kaya kami talagang napadecide na mag-reunion and mag-move, mag-delay ng mga things na ginagawa namin in our personal life, set aside and focus on this reunion. Kasi nga sabi namin, I think this reunion is also an opportunity for us to grow as an artist, to open doors for each and every one of us again. And yun nga, minsan lang to darating. Grateful kami na meron kaming Boss Vic, meron kaming Viva na magsusupport sa amin. So, nag-decide kaming lahat na, okay, sige, let's do this. That's why, nabuo po siya ng sobrang mabilisan. Kaya, medyo nape-pressure kami kasi talagang ang bilis po ng pangyayari.
And aside from that,
Personally, and hindi din pa namin talaga kilala kung sino ba nagsabi. Oo, so wala kaming idea kung sino yung nagsabi or kung sino yung But,
Zara daw.
Mas magaling saan? Mas magaling daw saan? I'm just curious.
mas magaling saan?
Magaling sumayaw. But of course, we know our strengths and weaknesses, di ba? So, baka, just to clarify.
Oh, what did they
I mean,
mean na mas
acting.
magaling?
So,
Acting.
I think that's a very nice motivation for them to say na mas magaling sila sa amin. And, you know, they're entitled to their own opinion. But again, eto na lang, yung sa amin siguro, we'll see after 20 years. We want to see them after 20 years. And you have to say that. You have to say that after being here in the business ng 20 years like us.
Yeah, so...
Diba?
Like,
So,
kagaya na ng sinabi ko kumbaga yung group kasi namin, proven and tested that we had hit songs, you know, we've had so many hit movies on our own, diba? We had so many hit shows. They need to prove that also, diba?
last question for you.
The group, they're actually good friends of everyone. So when they found out that we were having this reunion concert, actually they already sent a congratulatory message to the group. Yeah. So comparison, yes, we will be compared, but yun nga our concert will be different in such a way that, like what we said earlier, we want to showcase the celebration of the 23 years of friendship. And this is not just an ordinary concert. It's going to be an experience for everyone. Ipaparamdam namin sa lahat na ito yung Viva Hot Babes. This is what we've gone through throughout these years. This is what we've achieved. This is the years of friendship that we built, and everyone's gonna feel that all throughout, especially through the end of the concert.
more, to support each other more, to forgive and forget, and yung talagang pinahalagahan namin ngayon yung bawat isa. Yun yung nangyari ngayon sa yung journey ng pagbuo ng reunion na to. I think more than the show, it's the journey na naman ulit ngayon na dinadaanan namin going to the reunion na nangyari sa bawat isa sa amin, yung pagtingin namin sa bawat isa, yung friendship, yung
mas maayos ngayon kasi mas lalo kami nag-ano ngayon, magkausap kami. Sabi nga ni Direk, tama siya, 24/7 kaming magkausap eh. Ako pag tinitingnan ko yung phone ko, 75 messages, hirap ko mag-backtrack, di ba? Kaya mas naging ano kami ngayon, mas naging close kami ngayon na kung ano man yung meron man, pero parang wala naman.
Saka para kami nag-team building bago mag-start. Talagang sabi namin, tara mag-open forum tayo. O sige, natin, mag-team building tayo for everyone. So, lagi kaming nag-usap-usap kami, paano ba natin naayusin lahat? O dapat, kung may problema sa isa, mag-reach out agad, iklaruhin agad para hindi na mapupunta sa ibang bibig at maiiba yung statement, parang gano'n. So, dapat tayo na agad maging honest na kung mayroong problema, then go to that person and clear that issue if there is. Pero so far wala. Wala. Kaya masaya yung start nung planning nitong reunion na to kasi yun nga, very positive. Yung energy na nagfo-flow sa amin talagang all love and all support. Kaya wala nang insecurities ngayon. Ngayon, nilabas namin yung strength ng bawat isa and we support. Ngayon naman, ikaw gawin mo yan, dyan ka magaling. Ganon na yung sa amin ngayon. Parang nag-matured na rin kasi lahat. Matured na rin. So,
Si Gwen yan.
Si Aisha tama, tsaka si Gwen.
it's Gwen and Aisha at Kawili.
No explanation needed.
Yeah.
Kasi sila yung dalawa yung naglalakad ng very confident kahit walang nakatapis, gano'n. Basta maglalakad lang sila nang wala silang
Pag ginanap
cover.
mo sila, nasa bar.
walang turn. Oo, yung gano'n. As in, mag-confident
Okay,
sila
kasi-
everywhere.
sila yung laging nasa ledge na mababalita sa TikTok. Magte-trending, ganon.
Bebop group, who would you choose and why?
We hope with Beanie, syempre. Kasi sila naman talaga yung parang minus the sexy, no? Sila yung parang nakakuha nung pagiging bulaklak natin before, nung na-launch kami. And very famous sila sa Gen Z. Yung music nila is very click, nakaka-relate lahat ng tao, as well, pati rin yung mga older generation. So, magandang makipag-collaborate talaga sa kanila. Sila talaga, yung gusto
And
namin.
then their packaging is somehow similar to how we used to be packaged before, diba? So parang ganun. Yeah, tsaka nung unang lumabas sila, yun din for me, naalala ko yung Viva Hot Babes talaga namin, na parang, oh my God, tayo yan before. So parang Beanie. Yeah, for us, Beanie.
Thank you po, congratulations.
Thank